Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by preparing the essentials. Make sure you have admin or building permissions, enough blocks and cash, and at least one helper. Once done, teleport or walk to the control room coordinates and clear a radius of obstacles so you can snap new pieces cleanly. You should disable auto-reset features and enable grid snapping if available. This prevents misalignment. While you gather materials, explain roles to helpers so construction flows without pauses and mistakes. You now extend the control room outward using grid snapping and uniform block sizes to keep proportions correct. Start with 1 to 2 block increments, place a wall segment, then step inside and test reach to consoles and interactables. This prevents overextension. Once a side fits, mirror on opposite sides for balance. Make temporary supports and move cameras or lights as you go to confirm visibility. If helpers are building, assign one to measure distances while you place primary structural pieces. You finish by installing permanent flooring, repositioning lighting, and adjusting NPC or AI navigation if needed. This makes the space functional. Once complete, save the layout and run a full team interaction test. Open consoles, move cameras, and run a walkthrough to catch collisions. If something breaks, revert to the last stable save and rebuild the problematic section in 1 to 4 block chunks. A key troubleshooting tip: if misaligned pieces won't snap, toggle grid settings and rebuild only the offending wall to avoid large rollbacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.